I think this is one of those things nobody likes to talk about, but it can happen to anyone. So, imagine this. You prepared for an important meeting. You have your presentation ready and you've rehearsed. You have the right outfit on. So you walk into the room feeling confident. And then you sit down. And you notice something. Not strong, but just enough. A faint sour smell coming from your clothes. Suddenly, you're no longer thinking about your presentation. You're thinking about whether anyone else can smell it too. So you start wondering where to sit, how close to stand to people, whether to move around less, and instead of focusing on what you came there to do, part of your attention is now on your clothes. The thing is, this doesn't mean you're dirty. It doesn't mean you're careless. In fact, most people wash their clothes regularly. They use the detergent they've always used. They do exactly what they've been taught to do. But here's what surprised me when I learned it. Most detergents clean the surface of the fabric. The problem is that odor doesn't always stay on the surface. Sometimes it stays deep inside the fibers. So your clothes come out of the washing machine smelling clean. You wear them, your body warms up, and suddenly that hidden odor starts showing up again. That's why sometimes perfume doesn't really solve the problem. It just sits on top of it. And that's what made me curious about Atomy's laundry detergent. What caught my attention was that it was designed to go deeper into the fabric fibers instead of just cleaning the surface. It uses something called the MS2 method together with naturally sourced soda ash and plant-derived surfactants. In simple terms, it's designed to clean where odor actually hides. Brilliant, isn't it? And not just where you can see it. It also contains impact-zyme, which helps remove the source of unpleasant odors instead of simply covering them up. So your clothes don't just smell clean when they come out of the washing machine. They stay fresh when you wear them, when you're outdoors, when the days get long, and when you're moving around. And if you have sensitive skin, this part matters too. The surfactants are plant-derived from sugarcane and coconut. It passed the German derma test with an excellent rating and excludes 25 allergenic substances. So it's gentle enough even for newborns and people with sensitive skin. Your clothes get clean, but your skin doesn't pay the price. And I also like the fact that whites stay looking white. Not gray, not bluish, not dull, just clean. Now here's something else most people don't think about. Cleaning is only half the job. Protecting the fabric is the other half. So over time, repeated washing can make clothes look tired. Colors fade. Fabric loses softness. A favorite blouse starts looking older than it should. Now that's where the fabric conditioner comes in. The detergent cleans the fiber. The conditioner helps protect it afterward. It keeps fabric softer. It helps colors stay vibrant and helps clothes last longer. So for me, they're really not two separate products. They're one complete laundry system. And then there was one detail that genuinely surprised me. The leftover laundry water can actually be used for plants because the ingredients are biodegradable and plant-derived. When I first heard that, I thought, that's what natural should mean, not just on the label, but in real life. And considering that 1.4 kilo pack lasts over 230 washes, I honestly think that's pretty good value. At the end of the day, I think every woman deserves to walk into a room thinking about what she wants to say, not worrying about her clothes, just her preparation, just her confidence, just her voice. It's not too late.